Okay, this is just a demo of the cat board driving a stick-it LED digit board through the PMOD connector. And I'm going to turn out the lights so that you can see the LEDs a little bit better. First off, I'm going to run a counter. Download that bitstream into the FPGA. And you can see a counter being displayed on the LED digits. And I calculated that in order to roll over all the digits and get back to zero again, takes 22.8 years. Let's just wait for that, shall we? Maybe not. In order to test all the digits, I've got a scroller that'll just scroll digits through the display. Load that into the FPGA. Now you can see each digit is displaying a digit in a scrolled pattern. Not very interesting, but it does show that all the LED digits are working and that the scanning of the LED digits from the FPGA is correct. That's all this time.